I'm just going to the post office to send some deliveries and some Christmas cards. You know, I live in complete isolation here on Kea during the winter months. That's one of the reasons I wanted to make this vlog, just to connect. I woke up to a beautiful clear day. The wind is really strong and we haven't had a ferry come on or off the island for about 24 hours. The house I live in is pretty well protected. It's an old house from the 1800s, and back then they spent a lot more time studying the geography of a piece of land before they chose where to put the house. They didn't just plop them on top of hills the way they do now. So I know if it's this windy here, it's going to be crazy outside of the property. These need to get to the post office, but it's so windy there won't be any ferries today, so I'm not in a big hurry. Dickie, on the other hand, is super in a hurry to get her daily pâté. I wonder at this time of year, if I don't report this, how many days it would take for anybody to figure it out. There's absolutely nobody here right now. Definitely there won't be any boats today, probably not tomorrow either. I called the municipality and they're going to come clean this up. I'd be really surprised if other trees don't fall down tonight. When the winds are this high, I try to park the car where the trees have already broken off, so it's not in danger of getting slammed. And you can see, this is not the first time we've had tree damage from high winds. There's stumps all over the place to attest to the fact that these winds are really common in the winter and they're really hard on these trees. Another one down. These are tamarisk. The ground here is so close to sea level that it's very soft and it just can't support the weight of the trunks in this wind. That's really impressive. In just the time it took me to walk back from the post office, they've come to clear it up. And there you have it in a nutshell. I was out there with a big package of cookies in my hands to give to them, to thank them for coming out so quickly, and I got yelled at. That's the way things work around here, unfortunately. Anyway, so be it. In my next vlog, I'm going to show you around the abandoned enamel factory, which is just around the corner from where I live on Kea. It will soon transform, and this will be one of the last chances to photograph it as it is now. So I look forward to seeing you then, and until then, have a very Merry Christmas, and see you soon.